Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel CryptoSonic with a new best profitable project that has a name Abstract. This is the Bridging to Earn, where you can check out a next generation consumer crypto platform. There is the Abstract build something wonderful on the chain. There is Explorer. There are also each and everything that we are going to share about their platform, how you will make money, how you are going to work on the Ethereum Spolia chain. If you are new on my YouTube channel CryptoSonic, subscribe it, hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. All these link will be shared in my video, where you can find this is the platform powering the next generation consumer crypto. You can click on it because there you are going to check out each and everything in a new form. There you have to start the bridging, and you will make sure that you are a participant, you are a community member who are going to explore more detail about it to make right decision while getting into it. Basically there is a test net for now, and you can participate in that. Very soon the main net is going to be ready, and this will be launched in next January. Means here is the in January 2025 mainnet is going to be start very soon. So there is SK means ZK sync CLI, a very simple for the setup. Here you just put this some command and your setup will be ready. This is the Abstract platform where bridge to earn in the testnet you can start work. Basically if I want to show you some details about bridge to earn, there you can grab and claim a lot of rewards. So what are the command and their description you can check out. Like first command is about the dev, where you can set up the deployment, and there you can also give them development some Abstract and Ethereum node. There is the next to create it. Then you can also using this command you can go for the further, and there is the next contract where you can check out the Abstract contract, and there is also next without the building user interface. So these are basically some commands that can be used simple. There is the introduction, hello future, build the consumer crypto revolution, where people can come and they can start working on it. If you want to know about the connect to Abstract, so my friends, here you can explore many other features that is basically about to learn. Here you can also start the bridging, participating in their different event that is going to occur in their community that will give you a lot of profit. There you can be a next member in the vibrant ecosystem. There are global community that are very vibrant and online for the next. Abstract is working on the Ethereum chain. This is a next network that is going to revolutionize the crypto agent era, and you can check out there is zero knowledge based working too. So basically we are going to start in this video about the testnet, and very soon the mainnet is going to be launched that will give you a lot of rewards. And now this is the bridge as a testnet. So basically how it works, first of all, if you are new on it, then you can also connect to the wallet in which Ethereum Spolia should be supported, as MetaMask is one of the best suggestion from me. So you can also use it by giving the extension password. I can use it simple by clicking on the next, and then here is the option like connect. So we have to connect it first, and then I will show you what are the main ambitions that we are going to start the bridging. Here you can get some free Ethereum from the Focket, and here is the bridge option where you can use the Ethereum main chain. Here you can use Ethereum Spolia testnet that is basically the powered by, and there is also Abstract testnet because mainnet is not yet launched. So we have to work for the experience on the testnet. There is the changing to Spolia network, we have not done it, so we have to click on it first. Extension will be open where we have to give the permission that we are going to use the Spolia Ethereum mainnet like testnet. So we have to click on it. This is the chain we have done, and when we complete it, then the option will be changed, and this is the interface that you can get experience working on it. Here is the next detail, like we are going to use our asset. So there is the bridge option, there is Focket by which we can use After providing our wallet address, we can get some Ethereum as a free. Here my friends, you can check out a complete transaction method, and when the mainnet will be started, then there will be a lot of reward. You can also get the pocket. When we click on it, there you have to paste your wallet address you have connected to the site, and on the abstract we have connected the MetaMask. We can click on it. Here is the chain that we are going to use, Sepolia as Ethereum. We can click on the account details, and this is the our address that we have to copy it, and we have to paste on the pocket website, where we can also request for the Ethereum. You can also click on it, as there we are going to face the capture, but maybe this step will show you or maybe not, so you have to proceed to the next. So this is a very simple interface. The abstract to get some information about the bridging, and there will be some claim reward too. So we have not yet any transaction, that's why there is many option we have to experience, and I will suggest that you should come on it, and you have to complete all this capture that is required, and then you can also proceed to the next interface. Basically, this is an airdrop also in the events that you have to follow them. As much as you will start bridging, there will be a lot of reward. So I think you have to get experience on it as soon as possible. For the time will ups, your reward will be given it to you. So very soon in the January, you can find the details about their abstract, how it is going to work. There is each and everything about their roadmap, what are the applications that you can get on it. There is also Block Explorer, their own abstract Block Explorer, where you can use the TX ID, hash ID. There is also many other wallets, so you can also start the transaction by the addresses too. So there is also a best option for you, and if you want to know more detail, then you can come on their official Twitter profile, where you can also check out that their mainnet is going to be launched in January 2025. So be ready for that, and you can get the experience of mainnet on the testnet that is live now. And I think you have joined it right now, and you are ready to work on it to claim the reward. If you have any question, you can join them on Discord server. Their team is available. They will give you a complete response. See you soon next year. Till then, take care.